So step number 1, you just want to clear your throat. Step 2, extend it.
So if you're sighing, be like, you know, you have that initial, but if you sigh and you hold it out longer, like, or if you're coughing, go, try to hold out that vibration longer.
Step number 1 is to tighten your throat and strain your voice.
Yeah, you should get the sound. Get the sound.
Step 2 is to vibrate your nasal area or your uvula area.
Yeah.
Step 1, sigh really deeply. Second step is to sustain that low grumble once you feel it. Third step is to try to find where those vibrations lock and then kind of click into place and become that resonant throat-based tone.
Try clearing your throat, but lightly only. Don't go like, just a light clearing your throat, like.
Imagine coughing, right? So kind of cough, like a fake cough in a way, or clearing your throat, or
It's the grunting technique, and you're like, when you go, it's, you're like grunting.
That's the first step. You vocalize. Oh, wow. Second is to execute the vibration of your throat. And you can feel the vibration here. You open your mouth and pronounce the letter A. In order for you to lower that down, you want to position your mouth like this. And then bend your tongue. Nakaganon. And then pronounce the letter O. O, O, O.
The first thing you want to do is clear out your throat. Now once you've got that down, what you want to do is hold that note for as long as you can.
Have like an even balance of everything for throat bass to kind of come out and have a solid tone. If you're at perfect pitch, it's like which means that all your vocal cords are like lining up the right way to make that pitch work. So throat bass is the same way. You know, everything is lining up.
Clear your throat, you're gonna go ahem, 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 and you're gonna extend it. Ahem. You're gonna wanna try not to tense your neck too much.
Step number 1. You're going to want to clear your throat. You're going to want to drag it out now. Sounds like you found it. I do have one more step for you actually. Tighten your throat. And you're going to feel it here. And it's going to come out clean. Like this. Whoa.